Welcome to Healthy Skin Secrets channel. A winter skincare routine is essential to protect your skin from the cold, dry air and maintain its health and hydration. Here's a proper step-by-step winter skincare routine suitable for all skin types. Cleansing. Use a gentle, hydrating cleanser to remove impurities without stripping your skin's natural oils. Avoid hot water, as it can further dry out your skin. Cleansing should be done in the morning and evening. Exfoliation, 1 to 2 times a week. Use a mild exfoliant to remove dead skin cells. This step is particularly important to prevent the buildup of dry, flaky skin in the winter. However, don't over-exfoliate, as it can lead to irritation. Toner, optional. Apply a hydrating and alcohol-free toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Toners can prepare your skin to better absorb subsequent products. Serum. Apply a hydrating serum. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or niacinamide, which can help lock in moisture, repair the skin barrier, and soothe dryness. Moisturizer. Choose a rich, emollient moisturizer to provide a protective barrier against the harsh winter elements. Even those with oily skin should use a moisturizer in the winter. Eye cream, optional. If you have specific concerns like under-eye dryness or fine lines, apply an eye cream designed for those issues. Sunscreen. Apply sunscreen every morning, even in winter. UV rays can still damage your skin, and snow can reflect sunlight, increasing your exposure. Opt for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Lip balm. Use a hydrating lip balm to prevent chapped lips. Apply it regularly throughout the day. Masks, 1 to 2 times a week, as needed. Incorporate hydrating masks or overnight masks for an extra moisture boost. Humidifier. Consider using a humidifier in your room, which helps maintain optimal indoor humidity levels, preventing excessive dryness. Hydration from within. Stay well hydrated by drinking enough water and consuming foods rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. Protective clothing. In harsh winter conditions, wear protective clothing like scarves, hats, and gloves to shield your skin from the cold and wind. Remember that consistency is key. Stick to your winter skincare routine to maintain skin health throughout the colder months. Also, consider consulting with a dermatologist to address specific skin concerns or to get personalized product recommendations.